Hello guys, welcome to this Next.js project. I built out a screen and video recorder project in Next.js, which is a very popular framework. We are running this project on localhost 3000, and this is the actual full directory structure. We are actually using FFmpeg WebAssembly library for doing the actual processing. Whenever we screen record, we are using the latest version, as you can see. Next and React. And this is actually the full directory structure. Each component is customizable. It's coded inside TypeScript. So if you need the source code, you can directly purchase it. The link is given in the description. After you purchase it, all the source code will be downloaded from Google Drive. And let me show you the demo first of all. So once you launch this, you have this option or button, and you can adjust the settings of the recording: high quality, balance, compressed. And here you can adjust the permissions. So you simply say microphone. So here you can select which microphone did you want to use, and select your microphone, and inside click on this button, start recording. So now you will be having the option to select which screen you want to do, or you can even select entire screen. So now the recording will start. You will get this countdown clock which will be running, and at any moment of time, if you want to stop it, you will click this button, stop and save. So the recording is happening directly in the browser. So as you simply click stop, now the processing will start using FFmpeg WebAssembly library. So it's all processing it directly in the browser. So there is no backend server there. So everything is processing directly in the browser. It's a client-side application. So once it completes, reaches the 100%, your output video will be there. You can download that. So now you will see the output video is successfully created. You can play this. And as you click the download button, the recording will be downloaded as an attachment. So this is a really good project, guys. It will save you a lot of time if you want to actually build a full Next.js screen recorder and video recorder. So this project will be really beneficial. The link is given in the description. So we have used this side React for the user interface that you're seeing. So again, you can do this. So interface is quite simple. It's fully responsive as well. So it will look something like this on tablet, mobile devices as well. So it's completely responsive. You can adjust the quality here. You can select 180, 720, 480p. So again, you can select which screen here. So now the recording will happen, and if you don't know about FFmpeg WebAssembly, this is actually a open source package which allows you to use the FFmpeg library directly in the browser. So essentially, FFmpeg is a command line library, but this package allows you to use it directly in the browser. So we are using this inside our Next.js project. So if you're interested, guys, in this project, you can definitely purchase it. It's easy for you to deploy the project as well. And if you face any sort of problem, I will definitely help you if you can't run the project. But it's really simple. You open the command line, simply run the command npm runtime. This will start the local development server. And we also have the command to actually deploy the project as well. So npm run build. So this will compile all the assets of the project into a single folder where you can easily deploy the project as well. So this is the Next.js project, and you will see that. So once it completes, your recording will show. You can re-record, delete, everything you can do. And for this, we are using Next.js, which is a really popular framework. We are also using FFmpeg WebAssembly library. So it's a full stack project of Next.js.